Hi guys, it's Jonathan here from silverpredictions.net. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to make this quick video to tell you about a really exciting investment opportunity that I've just found recently. It's not the sort of thing that I would normally review or look at, but it's just something that's just been so good I just wanted to share it with you. So what I'm going to do in this short video is explain to you a little bit of background about what this product is, and then I'm going to actually take you into my live trading account and just show you what sort of results you can expect to get as well, just so that you've got a really good understanding of what it is that I'm saying, and hopefully you'll appreciate how big of an opportunity this actually is. So what we're going to be talking about today is Zulutrade. Now Zulutrade is an auto trading forex platform, as it were. Okay. Now, for those that don't know me, I've actually been trading stocks for about 2.5 years. I've been stocks and shares trading and investing, and basically what I've been able to do is grow my portfolio by about 1,000%. And once I got to that 1,000% mark over the last few months, what I've been looking to do is actually break down that portfolio and actually look for other investment opportunities, just to broaden my scope, perhaps get potential better returns. And obviously just to shore up the portfolio rather than just having everything in stocks. So I've been actually looking at or thinking about forex for several months now, but I've been so reluctant to get involved because I know so many people have just got their fingers burned with the forex market, because if you don't know what you're doing in forex, you're going to lose money, and if you're not careful you could lose a lot of money very quickly with forex. So if you're a beginner or even an intermediate, then Zulutrade is absolutely the right thing for you. Okay, what it allows you to do is set up an auto trading account. Then you can choose from a list of literally thousands of traders, most of which are professional, nearly all of which are highly successful anyway. You can choose which ones you want to actually follow, and when those traders place currency pairs, either short or long, then it will auto trade in your brokerage account. Okay, now just a quick note on brokerage accounts, I'll come back to this later. Make sure the brokerage account that you use is AAAfx. Okay, AAAfx. Okay, hopefully you can understand what I'm saying there. AAAfx is the broker to use. They actually own Zulutrade, so in terms of slippage, they are by far the quickest, and you'll get the least amount of slippage, and there's no commissions either, so it's cost effective as well. So just a quick note there when it comes to brokerage, guys. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just take you now to have a look at the traders, and then we'll go into my live account. Okay, so if I go over here, in terms of, actually what I'll do is I'll go back and I'll show you the actual list of traders first, and then I'll show you an actual trader's statistics and what you can actually find out about that trader. So what Zulutrade actually do with their traders is they try and rank them. Okay, so you can see here this is number 1, rank number 2, rank number 3, and so on all the way down. And like I say, there are thousands of these guys. I sort of look in the top 30. I'm quite happy with the top 30 really to pick out the traders that I want. And yeah, basically you've got all the information that you would possibly need on these traders, including their track record, their win percentage, and so on. So if we have a look at the number 1 trader, this is number 1 ranked by Zulutrade based on a number of factors as well. So this quick graph of the returns that they've made. 8,100 pips made since they started, and that was over 917 trades. Return on investment impressive at 461%. Average pips per trade is 9 pips per trade. Win percentage is 49%, which I actually think is quite low. That's why I've not actually gone with that trader personally. If you look further down, there's much better percentages. I mean, these are really strong win percentages here: 88%, 85%, 93%. Okay, so that was a bit low for me. That's why I've not gone with them. But at least you've got the information. You know, you don't have to go with what Zulutrade say. You can go with whatever you're most comfortable with, really, and that's certainly what I've done. But then, you know, you've not just got this information here. If I then click on this particular trader, it brings up more information, much more information in fact. So there's a little sort of introduction. That's been written by the actual trader themselves. So this is Forex Anomaly, and they've written a brief sort of outline of how they trade and that type of thing. You can see that the history, and I like to look at it. You can look at it in terms of profit, okay, and you'll probably see a really nice profit graph here if it'll ever load. Yeah, so they've gone from 0 in March 2012 all the way up to 8,000. Well, I presume this is pounds or dollars, I don't know. $8,000, let's say, profit today, which is the 10th of May 2013. So that obviously that looks lovely, but what I actually like to do is look at the performance table, because what this tells you is the month-on-month pips that have been earned. Perhaps ignore the first month, made 6.5 pips, but they could have started on the last day of the month. But then you can see here 306 pips made, 269 pips made. There was a loss there, so that's obviously something that you need to consider. So 685 pips down in the month of June, and so on. It's bounced along, and then the last few months have been very profitable. I mean, February, 1,728 pips in the positive in that 1 month. And you can start to see the kind of rewards that you can get with good traders. I actually don't think this is one of the better ones. I disagree with Zulutrade on this. I think there are much better traders here, but it depends on you. You know, I understand my risk appetite and the gains that I'm looking to make, so I've picked out traders accordingly, and you can do exactly the same thing yourself. Okay, so that's track record and performance there, but there's also reviews by actual real investors like yourself and like myself. I'm going to add feedback shortly on a couple of the people that I'm following, so read the feedback. I would say with the feedback, just maybe take a pinch of salt with these reviews. If you see a really negative review, it's probably because the trader made a loss, and people hate losing money at the end of the day. But come on guys, let's be realistic here. One thing I can promise you about any trading system or any trading method or whatever, whoever you use, there's going to be losses, okay? No one's going to get it right 100% of the time, okay? So it does make me a bit mad when you see people being abusive on here with the reviews just because they've lost a trade, okay guys? You're going to lose, get used to it, but just reduce the number of losses by choosing good traders. If you have a string of losses with one trader, then I would strongly suggest dumping that trader and just move on to another one. You're not tied into them, just move on. But also spread your risk by having a few traders. Don't just follow the one, because obviously then all your eggs in one basket. So go with several traders. Okay. So in a nutshell, that's sort of the outline of how it works. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to take you inside my trading account and just show you what's happened since I've joined. I've only been a member for a very short period of time, and I've been absolutely amazed at the results. So I'm just going to switch over now, and I'm going to go live into my trading account. Okay, so here we are inside my actual live trading account. I'm logged in, and as you can see here, this is sort of the welcome page, as it were. What I've got here is actually a review of the total portfolio and all the traders that I'm actually following. So I'm actually following 3 traders at the moment. I've chosen for different reasons. I wanted a balance within the portfolio. I didn't want to just follow just the one trader, because I just felt that if one trader makes a bad loss, then I potentially could lose everything. There is a risk with this. Whereas if I spread over several traders who trade in different styles, then at least I've got some comfort that the portfolio is well balanced, let's just say. So I've gone for 3. I wouldn't want to choose more than 3 personally, because I do feel that these are good traders. I want to give them a good chunk of my portfolio in order for them to do something. If I've got 15 or 20 traders in my that I'm following, then each of those traders only has a very, very small percentage of my portfolio to trade. It doesn't really give them a fighting chance of actually making me any decent money. So 3 for me is the magic number. I'm quite happy with that number. You never know, I might adjust it, but for now, certainly I'm quite happy with that. The reason I wanted to show you really inside my live account, is that I wanted to show you the returns that you can make, because I've been absolutely blown away by this. It's just been probably the most exciting 48 hours of my entire life, to be honest. That's why I'm making this video. Just one quick point, sorry that the screen's probably just gone smaller, by the way. I've just had to cut down a little bit of the recording size because basically near the top of the screen, above here, is my account information and things. So I've only got a sort of snippet of the screen, but it's enough to show you exactly what's been going on since I joined. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to the history page. Okay, now this is in days, so you can see here date. Now a lot running along the bottom here, it should be, you know, days of the month, but I've literally been a member since yesterday. Okay, so we can see here yesterday 9 AM my account balance was £11.66. This is profit, by the way, guys. Okay, just to be totally open and honest with you, I deposited £5,000 sterling in this account. There was a small trade yesterday morning, first thing, that just got opened and closed almost straight away by one of my traders. So you'll see that it's, yeah, £11.66 in credit, in profit. Okay, and then between then and now, or not even now, I mean between 9 AM yesterday and 9 AM today, basically this has all happened. I've gone to £931.50 in profit. Okay, so that's, I mean, that's nearly £1,000. That's nearly 20% return in a single day that I've made here using this Zulutrade system. Okay. Since then the profits have gone up more today. It's not been a massive day, but I've gone over the £1,000 profit mark. You know, I've made 20% profit now today. It's been relatively quiet, but I've got some open positions as well. So, you know, I've got some more running profit that I'll take at some point. But, you know, to be honest, I'm quite happy with 20% return. I mean, even if I made that in a month, I will be delighted with a 20% return in a month. You know, because we're talking there about 240% return in the year. Now, my money sitting in the bank is getting, what, 0.5%, not even 0.5% interest rate per annum. Okay, and we've got the opportunity here to make, well, 20% in a single day. Has just blown me away, really, to be honest. So if you're not sure about Zulutrade, if you were looking for confirmation of what it can do, then hopefully that's it for you. I don't expect this every day, by the way. You know, I've made this, maybe I've been a bit lucky, I don't know, but judging by the traders that I've chosen and their track records, the number of pips they get each month, I think I can consistently make maybe not 20% a day, maybe 10% a day, something like that, which, you know, is just a phenomenal return. It really, really is. And the great thing is, as soon as these positions are closed and they're in profit, then it's compounding straight away. So my view is that I'll keep compounding these returns for several months, and then I might start drawing some income from them. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to keep you updated on this. So I'll do a couple more videos over the next few weeks and just let you know how I'm getting on. But certainly for now, this has been a fantastic investment opportunity. If I closed my account today, I've made £1,000. That's about $1,500 in a single day. I can't think of anything else that would return that kind of profit. So in terms of trading forex, this has to be the best system I've ever seen. I like the fact as well it's real people behind this. Zulutrade are a fantastic company. They got my account set up in about 24 hours. It was very, very quick. Just a reminder, when you're setting up your brokerage account, make sure you use AAAfx. Don't use any other brokers, just use AAAfx. They really are the best ones to use. So yeah, Zulutrade are great, and the people that actually, you know, that you follow, you know, they're real people. Yeah, I think you can even message them if you want to. I'll probably send a note of thanks to my guys, and maybe even a bunch of flowers to say thank you for the returns that I've got. So I really hope this review has been helpful for you. I've put a link below this video for you. You can go straight through to Zulutrade. Now, Zulutrade have said that you know, if you sign up through the link below this video, that they'd be happy to give me a little, just a small reward as a thank you. So if you found this useful, then please feel free to click the link below. You'd be doing me a massive favour if you did do that. I can assure you it won't cost you a single penny more to sign up through my link below, but it will, as I say, just give me a little benefit. So I would be really grateful if you do that. But if not, then that's absolutely fine. Don't worry. I still hope that this video has been helpful for you. Feel free to leave comments below, because I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you've got, and look out for future videos where I'll come back into my live trading account and just show you exactly how things have been getting on. So with that, I'll leave you with the 20% return in 24 hours, which I'm still pretty stoked about. If you do join Zulutrade, I wish you every success. See if you can better my first day, and let me know if you do. Write a comment below if you beat the 20% in a single day. That'd be fantastic. I hope you do. I really hope you do. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye now.